Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a past paper question on simultaneous equations, which is question 7 from paper 2, variant 1, May-June 2021. So let's get started. So the question says to solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all you working. The equations given are 2x plus y equals 3 and x minus 5y equals 40. Okay, so let's solve this using the substitution method. So first, I'm going to rearrange this equation so that we have y in terms of x. To do that, we subtract 2x from both sides. This gives us y equals 3 minus 2x. Next, we substitute 3 minus 2x in place of y into the other equation. This gives us x minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2x equals 40. Now we solve for x. Simplifying, we get x minus 15 plus 10x equals 40. Now we add 10x and x, which gives us 11x minus 15 equals 40. Then we add 15 to both sides. Simplifying again gives us 11x equals 55. Now we divide both sides by 11. This gives us x equals 5. We already know that y equals 3 minus 2x. So substituting 5 in place of x gives us y equals 3 minus 2 multiplied by 5. This gives us 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. So y equals minus 7. Therefore, the answer is x equals 5 and y equals minus 7. And that's how you solve simultaneous equations step by step. I hope this breakdown made it easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more IGCSE Maths tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.